Ụda ume means vowels, but today we are going to introduce Ụdaolu or tones. So in this part 7, we shall say a few words, a few explanations about Ụdaolu or tones, because Igbo language is spoken in tones. There are two major tones in Asụsụ Igbo, Ụdaolu and Ụdala. There is one midway tone, you may call it the third one. That one is called Ụdansụda. These are tones used in pronouncing words so that somebody can understand exactly what you mean. The mark for each tone is specified as follows. Ụdaolu or high tone has a mark that goes up. Ụdala, its own mark comes downwards. The midway tone is simply horizontal. You know very well that tones are marked on vowels. They can also be marked on oyiri, ụdaume. Some facts you need to know about Ụdaolu and Akaraụdaolu are as follows. The tones are placed on top of ụdaume or on top of nyiri ụdaume. In all Igbo words or mkpụrụokwu, you don't mark all the tones. You only select those you can mark, those that are necessary. If you start marking all tones, your write-up will be very clumsy, congested with tone marks. Not all tones are marked, but the tone marks must be placed on top of udume or nyiri. You can use your discretion to choose. Why do we really use tone marks? We use it so as to help us in reading. That is agụmagụ. Agụmagụ, age ome, age o. Agụmagụ, reading so that you read correctly. Also, it helps us to bring the correct meaning of the word we are pronouncing. And of course, the tone mark guides us to pronounce a word correctly. A word like egbe, egbe, egbe. You can only differentiate the meanings by tone marks. For example, egbe, egbe. See the tone marks? They are up on top of a. This one means a kite. Egbe means kite. This one is egbe, egbe, egbe. It means a gun. Can you see that the tone marks have helped us to differentiate between egbe and egbe? We didn't place it on we place it on a vowel, a. Iri means 10, iri, iri. This first e is down, or Ụdala. This is Ụdansụda. Iri means to eat. It's a verb stem. It's an infinitive form of the verb to eat. Iri. The first tone is up. The second tone is horizontal. So note these three tones: Ụdaolu, Ụdala, and Ụdansụda. Here are more examples of Akaraụdaolu. Ụlọ means house. Note the tone mark on top of O is a high tone, Ụdaolu. The tone on O is a down tone, which is Ụdala. Ole or Ụlọ. Without this tone mark, you may pronounce a different thing. You may pronounce Ụlọ, Ụlọ, Ụlọ. Ike means strength or power. Ike means buttocks. So if you say Ike, you mean buttocks. If you say Ike, it means strength. That is Ụdaolu, Ụdaelu, while Ike is Ụdaolu, Ụdala. Now look at Ike. When we said Ike Ogo, do you remember? When we said Ike Epe, do you see that it is downtone, downtone? That is Ụdala, Ụdala. Mbido. This is the beginning. Mimbi, Idi, these are Ụda, Msoda. They are horizontal marks. But mind you, you don't put Ụdansụda anyhow. use your discretion to know when to put it or when not to put it. It's not necessary to insert all Ụdaolu there. Even Ụdaolu and Ụdaala, use your discretion as well. Look at this word. Ngwocha means the end. Nengwe oche a ngwocha. Mimbi idi o mbido. Nengwe oche a ngwocha. Learn spelling o. Learn how to spell them correctly o. Oke means rat. Oke is male. That is oke opa. That is a male chicken or a cock. Oke high. Note that the marks are placed on top of vowels. Okay, up, down, Ụdaolu, Ụdaala. Its boundary. Okay, ala Nigeria, na Cameroon. The land boundary between Nigeria and Cameroon. Okay means a share or a portion. Nyem okem means give me my share. If you say nyem okem, give me my rat. But if you say nyem okem, okay. See how the tone mark differentiates between a share and a rat. Mado, me a de o. Mado. The tone mark on a is Ụdaolu. The tone mark on o is Ụdaala. Ọkụkọ, Ụdansụda, Ụdaolu and Ụdaala. Look at eze. Eze meaning tooth. Eze, high, you know. This is different from Eze. Eze means a king. Rome was not built in a day. Little by little, you will come to appreciate this and learn Igbo Izugbe the way it should be. We shall say more about this in the next parts of this our channel. But one thing we request of you is please recommend this channel to other people who want to learn Igbo language with ease. Not just any Igbo language dialect, but Igbo Izugbe, which is the standard Igbo dialect. A kind of a compromise dialect officially approved for Igbo orthography. Recommend this and please subscribe to this channel. Tell other people, let them know that asụsụ Igbo dị ụtọ, asụsụ Igbo dị mfe, asụsụ Igbo ga-adị.